This time I will explain and demonstrate how the File Explorer is used. This is one of the opening screens that you can get when you start the File Explorer. And the point here is that here is a list or several lists of files and folders within this computer. And clicking one of these brings you to that part of the hard disk. So here we have desktop. It describes what kind of things I have on my desktop. Dropbox is free of charge cloud that I sometimes used. The window users Jukka Tamminen file area in this computer. This is the computer itself. So here we have quite a narrow view to the file system, and this is what every user at the initial state will get. So there's a desktop for him, documents area, downloads area, music, pictures and videos. And that's all. Okay, also three-dimensional objects. So this is available for every assigned account in this machine. And if I go to the Windows, here I can see, here are first file areas for the Hewlett-Packard, the producer of this machine. Then there is OneDrive temp, which is for Windows free cloud area. Then there are folders for operating system, logs, program files, program data, recovery and things like that. All the Windows software and the users. And opening this will show you that this machine has a default user, Jukka Pirjo, public, that is public so everyone can use it, and I have created here Rasini as a user. And now I can go to this. So it is the same as we see here, and this includes things that are associated with my desktop, my applications that I use, my downloads that I have loaded from networks. Then I have a software called Evernote. Favorites are a list of files that you want to go many times and quickly, links a bunch of internet addresses. Music, OneDrive, pictures. This is pictures in this machine. Here you can see the pictures and the subfiles, subfolders that I have here, actually 6 pieces. And if I want to go to a specific file, then I just click the file. But when I open a folder like this, this is a picture view of the folder. Now when I press the keys, the mouse's right key, I get a menu, and here we can see how this thing is shown, how it is sorted, how it's grouped, and here I can customize the folder. And new, here I can create a new folder, a subfolder here. So when we look at the view options, here are large, extra large icons, medium, small, list, details, titles, contacts. And typically details is the list which is most convenient to use if you know the name of the file that you are searching for. So that's as now I changed the view from large icons to details, and here we can see the folder names and the file names. And you can see here that this is a picture folder, so it contains pictures. And I have here subfolders like camera roll, test folder, save pictures, screenshots, video projects. If we go to save pictures, here are the pictures that I have saved in this folder. And if I click one of the pictures, I can open it, and here you see me looking at the camera. And again, if I want this to be a detailed view, I can change this to the detailed view. And here is a drawing from big Giza Great Pyramid internal. This is the way that you can find files, and when you have found your files, like this unnamed document, then clicking this box, you can do several things for this. You can move it, you can copy, you can delete, you can rename it. Rename means that you write for it a new name. And if you double click this, we get it opened. And this is a Word document. It's empty. So I will close it. It was this one. And I will delete it. So now it's gone. The same thing here, but it is presentation. No, this is also empty, so I can delete it too. Here is a picture from a book that describes China's forbidden city in Beijing, where the emperors used to live. This is a detail from there. Now when I have opened a document, if it is some kind of document, then I can print it, I can edit it, and I can share it. Finally, I can create a slideshow, I can save it, give it a new name, redo its size, make it bigger or smaller, make a copy. I can look it at the actual size, which is this one. So this is the real size of the picture, but it doesn't fit the screen. So I can choose zoom to fit, and this is how it is shown, no matter what is the original size of the picture. Here is a picture of my driving license. Actually, the previous, yes, current driving license, and it will expire on my birthday in 26, when I am 75 years old. Now I can rename it. I have to close it and go here, click this one and do a rename it. And now I can write here Jukka's driving license back. and now it has a describable name for what it really represents. Okay. The next thing which I show is the control panel at the top of the page. So let's look at it now. So we have the documents file opened, and no, let me see. We have a documents file and we have selected my driving license. So I can move this file, I can copy, I can delete, I can rename it. This is the file subpage here. I can create a quick link to this file if I need it often. I can open it with a default program, which is a program that can show pictures in Windows. I can copy the path, the path being this PC documents. And if we go to File, here we can open a new window, open a PowerPoint shell which shows PowerPoint files, go to the options, help, and close. So it was this one. Share. Here we can share the file, my driving license. We can send it as an email. We can put it in packed file format. We can burn it to a CD disk if you have a disk, DVD or CD drive in your machine. I can print it here. I can fax it, but no one uses that anymore. I can share it to named persons. I can remove the access, and I can change the security settings of the file. In the view sub page, you can see a preview panel, this details panel, change the display to extra large icons, medium size icons, small, only titles, list, or content. So this will affect a folder where are many files, how they are shown. And the last thing is a picture tool. So I can rotate the file to left, right, create a slideshow, and set it as a background. So if I click this one, this beautiful summer picture with a ferry will be changed to my driving license back. I don't do it now. When we go back here, this list can be organized so that you the list is in alphabetic order or reversed alphabetic order. So alphabetically last is first and the first becomes last. We can organize this by modify date. So this is created the latest in the May 22, and this was created in July 2020. And here are the dates. Then we can group these by file type. So here we have only the first folders. Then we have 2 web pages. Then we have pictures, open documents that are written documents, SketchUp files, and text document. Text document is a very simple way to write. This is the simplest way to write a document in a PC. Then you choose the type as a text, and you can see it here at the ending. Well, this will conclude my journey with you to the file system and File Explorer. So here we are back at the desktop level, and my desktop shows the files that are in my desktop folder as icons here. And these are all programs. So if I want to start a program, then I just double click here and the messenger will come up and I can use it. Then close it. This was the end of this tutorial. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.